Hi everyone and welcome back. So let me start by saying sorry that I haven't posted any video ups for a little while. I've been pretty busy. So let me go ahead and explain what's been going on. So as you know from a few videos back, we said that we was going to sell the house and go full-time camper van. Things are slightly changed now. So let's start with what's happening. So as you know, in a few videos back, I said that we was going to be selling the house and going full-time van life. Well, things have changed a bit. We put the house up for sale in September and we wasn't having much luck. So we changed our estate agents at Christmas, and it's probably one of the best things we ever did. The new estate agent sold the house within 2 weeks. So I'd just like to give a big shout out to the team at Bernard Marcus for all the great work that they've done. And if you're looking to sell a house, I'll leave a link in the description of their website. So now that the house has been sold, we have made new plans. We are no longer going full-time van life. We're going to buy a house in Southern Ireland. But first, we need to find a home. So that means we'll be living in the camper van for a bit. But as a camper van is quite small for living in, we've decided that we're going to go and buy a motorhome. And we're also going to be looking at getting a seasonal pitch in our favourite place at the New Forest, which is where we're going to be staying while we're looking for a new home in Southern Ireland. So we have been out to have a look at a motorhome. We found the one we like, so we've gone ahead and put a deposit on it, which I will show you that motorhome as soon as I go and collect it. So as for work, Marie's now going to be working remotely. I'm going to be travelling to work every day, but I'm going to see how that goes and see what my options are on travelling to work every day, because it's roughly about 2 hours from where we're staying in the New Forest. And I don't think that I'm going to be able to travel 2 hours there and 2 hours back every day, so I'm going to see what my options are on that one. So I will be posting videos up of our search for our new home in Southern Ireland, which I hope you come and join us for that one. I'm really looking forward to that. I will also be posting weekly of our stay in the New Forest and hopefully some trips out in our new motorhome. So it was just a short one this week, just to let you know where we're at. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. And please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. It's free and it really helps my channel grow. So thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you soon.